listening campus din dyan. Dane, Derek, thank you guys for being here while I was asleep.
So mamaya we'll discover all the flavors as well later on. Yung pag-shooting mo with Amutia ng Section E, is that what's been keeping you busy, or are there other things that have been keeping you busy lately?
Well, so there's a lot of things going on right now that have been keeping me busy. So, syempre, tuloy pa rin ng mga projects. And of course, in my free time, I've been keeping myself busy by working out, spending time with my family, and eating food trips. Yan ang favorite ko talaga, getting to eat with my family also.
You said your family. How's it? How's your family so far doing then? I know your work-life balance minsan hindi natin matutiyempo na. So you have to do a little bit more work, leave family behind, or have you been more, I guess, taking care of, spending more time with your family?
Yes, back home we're all good talaga. My family, we like to actually, our one thing in the house, food trip kami talaga. We love to eat, especially pag may mga new foods, mas lalo from Jollibee, di ba? So, talaga whenever there's a new product or new food from Jollibee, we always love to try it and share it, really talk about it.
Oh, that's nice. So parang meron ka bang memories dati as family, like growing up? May food trip ba kayo? Kasi dati kami, as a family, minsan nag-trip kami dito to Baguio. Siyempre, dadaan kami ng Jollibee. At alam na lang ng dad ko, like, C3 para nga sa kuya ko. Ganon. Do you guys have that type of memory with Jollibee?
Of course, dahil naman OG Johnny Kid ako talaga doon pa naman, even with the commercials of our family being together or talagang kahit birthday parties, nasa Jollibee kami, diba? At kahit taping din sa the first family we were all together, we love to also eat Jollibee on the set. Kaya yan ang experiences ko.
Actually, naalala mo nga yung mga birthday party. So meron kang, do you remember having that photo na kids kayo, tapos lahat ng friends mo invited, tapos nasa Jollibee, yung third floor, second floor ba yan, na may party kayo?
Oo naman. I'm sure you guys can relate. There's nothing like a Jolly party, diba? Kaya those are really, always bring them with me in my memories always. Especially since Jolly Kid talaga ako. Batang Jolly talaga ako.
Tapos talagang flavor and memory din natin yan. And speaking of our flavors, I actually, wala akong ba siya sa sobrang secret ng yung lunch natin. Kahit host ako. At least wala akong alam. Baka naman meron kang alam because I know he actually knows more than me kung ano mo yung lunch natin today. Baka meron kang patikim na info about what we get to experience today for the very first time.
Well, you guys will get to see and experience a lot of new things here today. Syempre, I don't want to say it yet, pero makikita nyo. And yun.
Okay, sir, syempre, pakilipot pa tayo. But I do have someone that we can bring on stage to tell us more about what might be your next new flavor. And we have the Jollibee brand manager. Let's welcome Jenna Santiago here on stage. Hi, Jenna!
Hi, Jack. Hi, Chris. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. So I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so happy that you guys came. So are we all excited?
Jenna, wala akong alam. Ang nakakakipot kahit sila kayo sa kanya.
You will be surprised along with everyone. But I guess before I say what we'll be revealing today, I wanted to ask the people here, meron na bang mga clues or may guesses na ba kayo on what we'll be showing today? You guys can shout. Wala ba? May mga hints na tayo eh. You guys saw the setup na ba?
Hindi siya
May
bagay.
mga hint kanina si Andres.
Parang may iba. They're doing this movement. So, inisip ko nila may rice meal ba? Parang ganon. Kasi may
Sabi niya,
sauce
ano
eh.
siya, di ba?
So,
Hindi naman siya binanggit
baka
na siya.
kailangan i-pour yung sauce. So, ano yung okay. That's what they're thinking.
Okay.
Yeah, mailagay ko
I
ng
guess to
spark.
start, are you guys familiar with Jollibee Crunchy Chicken
Part of
Sandwich?
Jollibee.
Yes.
Ano?
Okay, that's so
Burger.
nice to hear. Because we actually launched Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich last year in January. And it had a great turnout, really good performance. We actually expanded the chicken sandwich category. So it's really new heights. So that's why we're actually launching 2 new flavors with the creamy ranch that we have right now.
Okay, so 2 new flavors. So we know we have the ranch. Please give us the lowdown.
Correct. So as you know, creamy ranch, we have it. That's our OG. It's creamy, it's tangy, slightly herby. But now we also have chili cheese. So you also saw the back. There's like a chili cheese background. So it's creamy, cheesy, with slight kick.
I like my iconic
Yes.
ranch.
So for those who like that, a little bit of spice. And then of course, golden barbecue. So we have a sweet, smoky, tangy barbecue flavor for the more adventurous kind of people here.
So sa mga flavors na itong tatlo, Andres, are you leaning towards something?
If I had to pick, ako talagang hindi ako makapilish ng guys. Kasi the 3 flavors talagang all very different. You know, if you want something very cool, cool na vibe, you have something like creamy ranch, which is very rich. And then if you want something, something sweet and smoky and you're feeling kind of bold, of course you have golden barbecue. Or naman, chili cheese whenever you're feeling adventurous or if you want a little spice, in your life.
Or parang baka depende on the time of the day or the mood or who you're hanging out with.
Yes, exactly. Like what's nice about these flavors is parang based on how you're feeling that day, the vibe you want to have, or the adventure you want to take. You get to choose between 3.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that, Ms. Jella. Sa barkada namin, meron talagang naisip ko na ito for that person, ito for this person.
So tama na, can try all flavors. And actually, what's the best part about these 2 new flavors with our creamy ranch is that it's still at the same affordable price. So we're at 62 pesos for our solo. And of course, we have the drinks, the meal with the drinks, and the meal with fries and drinks as well.
Okay, so 67 for the sandwich and
62
at 62.
Yeah.
Oh my God, ay, may extra pa ako. I love. Okay, pero yung meal,
Kung meal is 87 with the drink.
ay, isa. Hindi pa, wala pa 100 pesos.
Yes.
Sulit, sarap talaga ako, Mr. John.
Correct. And they have to try it actually very soon because our 2 new flavors are only available for a limited time. Yes. So they really have to try it.
You heard that, everyone? They're only available for a limited time, so please try nyo habang nandyan pa. Because it's really a different experience, different vibes.
Ah, sige, try ko dito, mas libre mo. Ay, moving on though, Miss Jella, kailangan namin makita mo to kasi andito po yung mga fan clubs ni Andres here today and they're so excited to see yung campaign naman that you guys have been working on. So if you can give us, I guess, makakita ba tayo finally?
Yes, we will actually be showing the hero video later on. But